Right, with this question here, of course, we need to remember that they don't tell us how much is being exchanged, okay? All it says is that this company, want to send representatives to the Far East, okay? But they want to exchange a certain amount of pounds, right? An amount of pounds, it says, was exchanged to Hong Kong dollars for one employee. And the key to it here, it says an equal amount of pounds was exchanged for Japanese yen for another employee. Both conferences were actually cancelled. So the money now, of course, has to come back into pounds, exchange back. And then you've got here the exchange rates for Hong Kong dollars and Japanese yen. So which two currencies, which did they lose most money on? They're going to lose money, right? Because when you exchange to a foreign currency, okay, exchange it back and so on, you're losing money because the exchange rates change generally, and often you might lose money. You might not work in your best interest, okay, because the exchange rates could change so that you end up losing. Now, in this case here, let's start off with the Hong Kong dollar, right? And what I would do is just pick a value. It says an amount of pounds. It doesn't matter how much. Let's just say let the amount be £100. It can be anything, right? But I'm going to choose a nice number, £100. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this into Hong Kong dollars first. Okay, so £100 conversion from pounds. So go from pounds to dollars, you've got to times it by that. So of course, when you change from currency to a foreign currency, you multiply. So I work that out, okay, and I get $1160. Now to change it back to pounds now, of course, you've got this conversion rate here. To change it back is a different exchange rate, okay, because it was probably done a few weeks later. Okay, exchange rate was different. So when you change it back, you divide. All right. So I get my calculator. 1160 divide by 12.20, and it comes out to be a really nasty number, but you can see that this is in terms of pounds, £95. You should put, it's 2 decimal places, right? You should put the pennies, £95 and 8 pence. Okay, and if we do the same for the Japanese yen, okay, so we just call it yen there, right? Again, £100. Okay, now let's change that. Okay, so you get quite a large amount of yen. Let's then change it back. So you change it back, you divide. So that comes to, again, we got a nasty-ish number, but rounded to 2 decimal places. I think that'll be 92.60, won't it? Now let's have a look. Can we see here clearly where she's lost the most money on? Okay. If we changed £100, okay, if £100 was changed, okay, she clearly then, the company, sorry, would clearly then lose more money on the yen, won't it? Okay, let's see how much actually, let's see the difference. Let's work that out. £1.48, okay, more would be lost on the yen, okay, i.e. Japanese yen loses most money. Okay, so that sort of explanation is going to help you to get the full marks there.